Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0223 indicates a high voltage condition in the Throttle Position Sensor B circuit of the Honda Civic 2022 and newer models. This diagnostic trouble code signals an abnormality to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, when the output voltage from the TP sensor B exceeds a specified threshold. The throttle position sensor is crucial for regulating engine airflow, working in tandem with the throttle body to manage torque and engine performance. The sensor is typically integrated with the throttle body assembly. A high voltage condition in this sensor may affect overall vehicle performance and responsiveness, which is why pinpointing the exact cause of this DTC is vital to ensure safe operation. The Throttle Position Sensor B plays a critical role by providing the PCM with real-time data regarding the angle of the throttle plate. Specifically, it measures how open the throttle is, which helps the engine control module adjust fuel delivery accordingly. When the output voltage of TP sensor B is higher than 4.8 volts, the PCM interprets this as a problem with the sensor circuit. The TP sensor B is physically located within the throttle body assembly, which is found in the engine bay attached to the intake manifold, directly influencing the vehicle's air intake and performance. If the PCM detects a high voltage scenario, it will store DTC P0223 to alert the technician of the abnormality. Several factors can trigger DTC P0223. A faulty throttle position sensor B itself is a likely cause, where internal failures may lead to incorrect voltage readings. Additionally, there could be open circuits, such as in THL2, which transmits signals from the TP sensor to the PCM. Another potential issue is an open circuit in SG3, which serves as a ground for the sensor. The Powertrain Control Module, PCM, could also be malfunctioning, especially if other diagnostic tests indicate normal readings across all other components. Each of these causes must be carefully examined to determine the underlying issue behind this trouble code. Symptoms of DTC P0223 may manifest as poor vehicle acceleration or an unresponsive throttle, which can lead to safety concerns while driving. The engine may exhibit erratic behavior, such as stalling or hesitating during acceleration. Additionally, the check engine light will likely illuminate, prompting a need for diagnostic inspection. Drivers may also experience a reduced engine performance overall, which can lead to frustration and decreased vehicle reliability. Addressing this error promptly is essential to prevent further complications in the vehicle's performance. The first troubleshooting step for DTC P0223 is to turn the vehicle ignition to the on mode without starting the engine. In this state, it's essential to monitor the voltage value of the Throttle Position Sensor B using the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS. If the displayed voltage exceeds 4.8 volts, this confirms that the failure replicates according to the diagnostic criteria. This initial check is crucial as it helps validate if the problem lies with the TP sensor B itself or if other related issues might be present. It sets the stage for the diagnostic process, allowing you to efficiently rule out or confirm potential faults. For the second step, disconnect the throttle body 6P connector and proceed to inspect the voltage output. In this test, the vehicle should still be in IG on mode, where normal voltage output from the throttle position sensor should hover around 5.0 volts. If this voltage is detected as normal, it generally indicates that the problem may reside within the throttle body assembly itself, suggesting potential internal faults or malfunctions. Conversely, if the voltage output is abnormal, it implies that there could be issues in the wiring or other components in the circuit. This step provides critical insights to help narrow down where the actual fault may lie. In this step, the focus shifts to inspecting the circuits related to the throttle position sensor, specifically the THL2 and SG3 lines. Both circuits must be measured for resistance when disconnected, ensuring the ignition switch is in the off position. For proper circuit integrity, the resistance should be less than 1 ohm. If any readings indicate higher resistance, it suggests an open circuit, which could be interrupting the flow of signals necessary for the TPS to function effectively. Essentially, this step verifies the health of the wiring that connects the TPS to the PCM, a vital connection for accurate readings and signal transmission. If all previous inspections show normal conditions, the next logical step is to examine the functionality of the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. This module acts as the brain of the engine management system, interpreting signals from various sensors, including the TP sensor B. The PCM may be at fault if all other components are confirmed operational. Often, when signal integrity is compromised due to a PCM failure, it can trigger diagnostic trouble codes like P0223. Therefore, verifying the PCM's condition becomes essential for a successful resolution of this DTC, leading to correcting the communication and control issues stemming from this component. After conducting necessary repairs or replacements, it's crucial to clear the diagnostic trouble codes stored in the PCM. Utilizing the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, this action resets error monitoring for the vehicle's control systems. Following this, a test drive is essential to ensure the vehicle operates smoothly under various conditions, and to confirm that the DTC P0223 does not reappear. Monitoring the throttle response during the drive ensures that the issue has been fully resolved. This comprehensive approach not only confirms the success of the repair, but also helps identify any underlying problems that might require further attention. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P0223, implement a routine maintenance schedule that includes regular inspections of the throttle position sensors and associated wiring. Ensuring electrical connections are secure and free from corrosion can help mitigate potential issues with sensor readings. Regularly examining the throttle body for cleanliness and function can also aid in maintaining optimal performance. Documenting any changes or repairs made will provide a historical account for future diagnostics. This proactive approach can help ensure that your Honda Civic remains responsive and reliable for years to come. In conclusion, DTC P0223 signifies a high voltage condition in the throttle position sensor B circuit. Addressing this issue promptly can significantly improve vehicle performance and safety. The TP sensor B is critical in ensuring the engine receives accurate information regarding throttle position, directly affecting power delivery. Key steps in troubleshooting include monitoring voltage levels, checking wiring integrity, and evaluating the health of the PCM. Preventive maintenance plays a vital role in prolonging component lifespan and enhancing the reliability of these systems. Following the outlined troubleshooting steps can efficiently diagnose and remedy this issue, ultimately restoring the vehicle to optimal performance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.